Now let's open location data manager, and on top we change the string type to location item. Now get errors. We'll fix this error. And first of all, let's fix the first part of the error, fetch. So inside delete this code here. And add, I added here already. Add only one line of code here saying location append, location dictionary location. By making the change, the fetch method now gets each dictionary provided in load data method and use it to initialize location items instances. And this instance is appended to the location array. Look at this, the load data. The load data still use the same plist that we added earlier. So we need to make those changes here, the plist. Now we want to load JSON, not plist. So let's make this change here. So first of all, we need to look at the location item. So at this moment here, you can see the location item return a string, but we want to return location item. So here we get rid of this and return location item. And I got an extra, say, location. So I think what here says there's an extra curly brace here. I think I did an extra one here, so let's get rid of it. Now I don't get error here now. That's good. Next, let's look at a location view controller. And if we look down here, we get an error message here. So we need to make a little change here. So right here, we call that full. So now the error message is gone. Remember, the full property of a location item returns a string that combines the location's city and the state string. That's why we fix the error. It's not a string anymore. It's a full. Full includes the city and the string, the city and the state. And now we need to track user's location. So on top, right here, we add a new property. Right below the manager, we say selected city, a location item. And next, we need to adopt UI table view delegate protocol. This protocol specifies the messages that a table view will send to its delegate when user interacts with the rows in it. So let's go to the very end right here. We added a UI table view delegate. Remember we added mark here. This makes the extension easy to find in the editing area. And inside we have extension. The UI table delegate is triggered when the user taps a row in the table view. When the user taps the rows in location screen, the check mark will appear in that row, and the selected city property is assigned to the corresponding location item instance in the location. Next, we want to add a view controller for the collection view section header in the next section, so we can display the user selected location in the collection view section headers label. Now let's open storyboard. And now let's locate a location view controller scene, which is right here. And then we open a location view controller. And then we open view. And then we open locations. Let's say we open view, and then we open table view, and then we open location cell. And I need a little more space. So now I want to open the attribute window. It's right here. And right here, the selection says none, and the accessory disclosure indicator. So what you do is right here you choose none, and accessory we change to none. Next, we want to add a view controller for the section header in the Explore view. So let's go to folder Explore, and in folder View we add a file, and this time we choose Cocoa Touch. And go next. Give a file name called Explore Header View, and choose subclass UI Collection Reusable View. UI Collection Reusable View, and go next and create. And when I got it here, you can see Explore Header View. It added a collection view, reusable view name for me. That's not what I want. It's added for me automatically. Let me redo it here. So I delete it. Do it again. Because they changed the file name for me. So I go new file and go next. UI change to explore header view and subclass UI collection reusable view. So make sure that's the name here. This is the subclass, that's the file name. And I go next. I need to create. And this time it gives me correct name. Class explore header view extends UI collection reusable view. That's right. Now let's go back to the storyboard. And this time we'll open explore view controller scene. And then we open explore view controller. And then we open view. And then we open collection view. And then we select a collection. So we have a collection view, and we have a collection reusable view. Now let's open the custom class. And here we want to change to explore header view. Notice here when I change the name, this is the name that we just put down right here. So explore header view. That's because we use explore header view to control this view. So you can see the name was changed from the scene as well. Now let's open the explore header view. And then there's a view. Click on view under it. Now you can see there's a label saying please select a location. And now let's open the assistant window. Open assistant. So make sure that we're opening the explore header view but it's not explore header view, it's explore view controller. So I'm trying to open explore header view. That's what I want. So that's the explore header view. And after that, we need to set up the connection between the label and the explore header view. So what we do is we do a control drag this label to right here. Now give a name. The name is called a label location. And then we connect. So now we created an IP outlet that points to the label location through the explore header view class. Now let's close the system window. Alright, so next let's open the Explore View Controller. And right under Manager property, we added a selected city location item and header view. That's the type of Explore header view. This property contains a link to Explore header view and allow Explore header view controller to set the value for a label location, LBL location.